What do we have here? Hi, buddy. You look sketchy. That's one sketchy looking spider. I'm no spider expert. But that's the kind of spiders that when you see them, you're like, maybe I shouldn't touch that spider. I'm gonna let him do his thing. Any spider people, let me know. Oh, I lost him. Hold on. Oh no, I just accidentally smushed him. Is that the same spider? It is. I'm sorry, buddy. Well, I guess I don't have to worry about him being venomous. That's it, right? That's him? Yeah, that was him. Sorry, spider. I found another one. Excuse me, Zeba. Go, honey. What is this guy? They're all over the house. Hey, crawl around. He's playing dead. There he goes. Hi, buddy. No, don't go for the dark corner. I think that's the same kind. Alright, well, you can't stay here. I gotta put this curtain up. They look creepy, though. Creepy little Georgia spiders. Alright. Bye, buddy.